In this video, we will create images for our shorts, and then we will use those images to create our YouTube videos and TikToks. Very simple. So we can use two softwares. So we're going to use Dall. So Dall is from OpenAI, the same company that produced ChatGPT. So you can go to labs.openai.com and you can go here inside Dall, sign in, and then you will be able to generate images. So type anything you want and click on generate. Another thing that you can do, which is I think more simpler, is go to bing.com. So bing.com/create. If you go over to here, so this is an image creator which is by Microsoft Bing, and this is also powered by Dall. So this is the exact same thing as Dall, but I think the interface here looks a lot more promising. So you can use this one or you can use this one. So for the first idea, I'm going with warrior idea. So you can go and create warrior based on different countries. You can do that, or different states of United States, etc. I'm going to go and create a few photos based on the warriors on each planet. So I'm going to go and create a warrior of United States, maybe a warrior from India, etc. So let's create warrior from United States. So it's really simple. If this prompt does not work out for us, or there is any mistake, we're going to change the prompt and try it again, or we'll move towards some other idea. So I have written here warrior from United States, and you can see here it has generated pretty good images for me. So I'm going to go, we can also go and create another one. So, but I'm going to go stick with this one. I like this one. So I'm going to go and download this. So this is the first one. Next is we're going to create a warrior from, let's say, Sweden. So I'm going to go and write Sweden here. So there is a spelling mistake, Sweden, and just click on create. Also, if you use Dall over here, it's I think a little bit slower, but if you are using Bing, then it is much faster. Okay, so warrior from Sweden. So we have a warrior from Sweden, and it is also looking great. So let's go with this pose. I think this one is looking really great. I'm gonna go and download this one. So just for the sake of determining how it will look over here, I'm going to copy this. Let's see, I want a warrior from, let's say, India. So I want to create a warrior from India. Let's click on generate, and you can also do it on here on Dall. So it will generate an image of a warrior from India. So it will create mostly similar type of images as both are powered by AI. So here you can see both are powered by Dall. So if I were to write this exact same prompt over here, of course it will not generate the same thing, but it will generate something similar, something different, because both are powered by Dall. I don't like any of these, so I can go and generate again. Maybe here I have also given the prompt of warrior from India. So let's see if we can get a better image of a warrior from India. So now we are talking. So this is looking really promising. So let's see over here what Dall comes up with. So here again, it's not that great. This one little bit good, but I think Bing AI is giving us more better results. So I'm going to go click over here, and let's download this one as well. Okay, so let's go and try a few more countries. Saudi Arabia. So let's try Saudi Arabia, and let's see how. No, I think the spellings are wrong. Saudi Arabia. Okay, so we have we are creating an image with a wrong name. Okay, so it has, oh, it knows the concept, but let's change it to correct spelling and then try it again. Okay, so the warrior was giving a vibe of Saudi Arabia, vibe of desert, etc, and it was good. Okay, So it was a really simple prompt, warrior from Saudi Arabia. What you can also do is you can always go and let's say you want a warrior from Saudi Arabia and you want it to be photorealistic, you can add that, and you want it to be in a portrait photo, so we can add portrait, photorealistic, etc., and make sure to add all of the extra things in each of the prompts, so we have similar looking photos of each of the person. So here I'm gonna go and stick with this one. I like this one, so here I can download this as well. So let's go and try the last one. So this is the way that you can use to create images with the help of AI, and then in the next step we will go towards creating a shorts that has the potential to go viral on the internet. Now you can have many ideas like warrior, let's say for Egypt countries, and then you can always go and do other stuff. So let's complete our short, and then so we have completed all of our photos. Now I'm gonna go and give you a few other examples, and then we're done for this lesson, and then we'll go towards creating a short. So let's say we want to have a supercar. So let's say supercars Egypt as a supercar. So I want Egypt to be as a supercar. So let's say if Egypt was not a country, Egypt were to be a supercar, how would Egypt look if it were to be a supercar? So it is a really interesting question, and it's based on your creativity, because Dall can create anything. It's all about you imagining stuff. So here you can see this is a Lamborghini and it's in Egypt and it's looking really great. So you can download that, and this can be your other shot. You can go and name other countries like United States, etc., and this can be your other short video that you can use to portray that you have given AI, asked AI for countries as supercars, and then here is the return that AI has given us, and then you can show people your results, and people really love it. That's why these short videos based on AI, these short videos are blowing up and they are getting hundreds and thousands of views, and people are loving it. So basically, first step is creating videos based on the idea that you have generated. So our idea was to generate warriors based on countries, or supercars based on countries, etc. So you can have any idea in the world, and then you can come over here and generate some images. So that's it for this video.